I'm Zion. Today we're learning Spanish numbers 1 to 10. If you're ready, say sí. Yay! Let's go. I say it and you say it. When I pause, you shout. Ready? 1 in Spanish is uno. Great! What is 1 in Spanish? 2 is dos. What is 2? 3 is tres. What is 3? Uno, dos, tres. Again. Uno, dos, tres. 4 is cuatro. What is 4? 5 is cinco. What is 5? 6 is seis. What is 6? Cuatro, cinco, seis. Nice job! 7 is siete. What is 7? 8 is ocho. What is 8? 9 is nueve. What is 9? 10 is DIEZ. What is 10? Number Ninja time! I say the number, you shout Spanish. 3, 7, 1, 10! Yes! Amazing! Turbo count. Say it with me. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last questions. What is 5 in Spanish? What is 9 in Spanish? What is 1 in Spanish? You did it! This is Zion from Giggle Tunes. Say bye in Spanish. Adios! Adios!